Okay, so let's go to the
Christmas.
well, yeah, but hold on. We need to look for a microwave. So let's go to the home appliance section. Oh, here. Okay, this is cool.
Yeah, I don't think it's heavy actually.
Yeah, you good?
Oh, it won't.
Okay, put it sideways. When I first started in the design industry, I had this wild idea of opening up a community where we would be able to help people that are in need. And I had this idea without even starting my business yet, so I really had no foundation to go by. And it's really weird how things work out, but I started my company and thank God we are doing well and at the point where I find myself now in a position that I can fulfill my original dream, and that was to help in any way that I can. Okay, tree, back there.
That one's too naked. I would.
And it's too short. Yeah, this one, but it doesn't, oh, it has lights? No, they're putting lights. Do the classical green, gold, red. Okay, sold. All right, we have the ornaments, something like this.
Yes, exactly.
And we just kind of string it around.
Perfect.
Do you think 2 packs? How long are these? 60 inches, so 5 feet each. You need like 3. Okay, we're fully loaded. We have lots of stuff. And I just have to say, none of this is sponsored. This is all by myself and my team. And we are so happy to do it. Whee! Today's the big day. Huh? You excited? Yeah. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
He has been asking about you all week.
I've been so excited to see you again. Brandy is a single mom with 2 beautiful boys, and they are both so smart and so full of life that when I met them at the first consultation, they really just stole my heart, both of them, especially the little one. Have fun.
Don't worry, we won't be far, okay?
See you. So after going back and forth with different charity organizations, we came across Nellie's, which I say that name so proudly because this one organization really goes over and beyond for the people that they are supporting. And they were really helpful in connecting us with Brandy and her beautiful family. Okay guys, the homeowners are gone. They're gonna go and step out for a few hours while we do some magic here. We are so excited to get started. So let's go inside. Oh, I see you. Yay! Here's a hat for you, my darling. Kate, you get a Santa hat.
Thank you.
Yvette, you get a Santa hat.
Thank you.
This one's for the gentleman behind the camera. Yes, you get one too. We have been working towards this for some time. We've been talking about it. Today we're putting it in action. Thanks to all of you. Thank you for helping out. Thank you for putting your time. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is big. We're really changing someone's lifestyle, at least I can say, with their home and their, place that they call their sanctuary. So I'm glad that we could do this, and I'm glad you guys are here. So let's go make some magic happen.
Let's do it.
Yes?
Yeah. 1,
Woo!
2, 1.
Yeah! Let's go.
Here we got a nice new couch donated by one of our vendors.
Okay guys, so I just walked into a nice surprise from my team. Take it away, Justin.
Yeah, basically we came in here and we saw everything that SANAZ'S is doing, and we all felt like we wanted to contribute. So we're actually going to go out right now and go to Best Buy, and we're going to grab them a brand new 50-inch TV, and it's going to be a surprise because they have no idea that it's coming. Get rid of the old one or move it to the son's room or whatever, but they're going to have a brand new big TV. It's going to be good.
Thank you guys. Yay! Hi, cutie pie. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, did you guys have fun?
We had so much fun. Okay, you guys ready to go in?
Definitely. You guys ready?
You ready?
right,
Let's go. Go, go, go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy moly.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Brendy's story really touched my heart because I have 2 little kids myself, and I can only imagine as a mother, your main role as a mother is to protect your children and try to give them the best possibilities this world has to offer. And I was very happy that we could stand up and help her in any way that we could, and to really give her a new direction in life and add some positivity in her life, and to show her that there are people that care about you, Brandy. Yeah, well, it's not complete without a holiday tree, right?
Oh my gosh. You see this?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the microwave too. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, much bigger.
Beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, these look
You like it?
amazing. I do. I'm almost ready to cry.
Don't cry.
Oh my god, I try not to.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, it's so organized. Look at this.
And look what I framed for you.
Look who's that?
Look at your drawing. Up here, baby. Look.
Baymax.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look.
Those are all yours.
Yeah, all your
Those are
toys
all
are
your
here. Oh my
stuff.
god, it looks amazing. And his bed's off the floor
Yeah, we
too.
put them on frames.
Oh my god, he's gonna have so much fun in it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's yours.
Oh my
Look
god.
at your new TV.
Yeah.
I know. Oh my god.
Mom has a TV now.
I know, I saw that downstairs. I was like, is that mine? No, that's not mine.
That's your new one, and
Thank
this is
you.
your old one.
I just checked out my own room. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Everything good?
Oh my god, I love it.
So-
I didn't know what to.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so glad we could do
Oh
this.
my god, I'm like
honestly.
literally like holding this back so I
Oh,
don't cry on
sweetheart,
camera.
it's yours to enjoy.
Oh my god,
It's
thank you
yours
so
now,
much.
so you know.
The only thing on my list that I couldn't get to just because of my timing was the washer dryer.
Oh, of course.
Which is still on our list. So
Seriously?
we're gonna
Oh my
locate one
God.
for you. We're gonna have it delivered because I heard they don't supply it.
No, I
So,
got told
no.
when I first moved in that they would, and then I talked to someone from the
Yeah.
management, and they're like, no, we don't supply that. And
Okay.
I was like, oh.
It's on our list,
Oh
so
my
we're gonna
God.
take care of that
Thank
for
you so much.
It's not here today, but in the next couple weeks, I'm gonna have it
That's
arranged.
okay. Oh my God.
I'm so glad you like
This
it.
does not look like my house. I'm never leaving my house.
Yeah,
I'm never leaving my house.
It's yours.
You have just made isolation literally so comfortable. Oh my God, I cannot believe this is my house.
Enjoy it.
Like my heart is beating
Honestly,
1,000
it
miles a
couldn't
minute.
have gone to a more special person, and
Oh,
I'm so glad that
guys
you
are
got
so
it.
amazing.
Yeah.
Honestly, like I don't know.
It's
how
our
to thank you
pleasure.
enough.
We
Oh.
have all been on like a high, just a natural
Yeah,
high
I've
doing
been,
this.
like,
Everyone's
all
like,
week.
this is the best project we've done, and it truly is.
Yeah. Honestly,
Oh,
oh my God, thank you so much for that.
I'm gonna bang your head.
Yeah.
These sofas were brought in brand new from a furniture store.
Oh my God.
Yeah, my custom
already sat down
furniture
on it.
maker, he said you can have
Sit.
these, so I took
Sit.
them and they were such pretty sets. So they've never even gone into a staging project. These
Oh
are
my
brand new
God.
out of
Brand
a
spanking
store.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Okay, so this in that chair. So
That's why I told you to sit.
yeah.
This puts my old couch
It's
to
deep,
shame.
so you can even lie down and watch TV and like.
I love it. And oh my God, it is deep. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Oh, I love it. This
It's
is a perfect
comfortable.
snuggle couch. I can fit all three
Yeah,
of us on here.
exactly. Nice big blanket.
Oh my God. And that chair in the corner is beautiful.
I find myself thankful and grateful every single day because of what I do and how much I enjoy what I do. I love my career. I don't look at it as a job. It's my passion. And the fact that I am now able to use that towards something so much bigger is just a different type of feeling for me. It's a different accomplishment. And I'm so happy that I was given this opportunity to do this for this family because this is going to be regular. We're going to do this all the time. We are sending our message out there to our viewers. If you're in the local area, GTA, you have stuff that you want to give away. You don't need them anymore. There's always people that are in need. Please reach out to us, send us an email, and we'll get in touch with you. We'll have people come pick it up, take it to these families. This is something that we all need to do together. My team and I will do our part, but your help is also very much appreciated.
Thank you. Do you want to give hugs? I know you do.
Oh, baby.
Here, come here, you guys. Come here, come here. Say bye.
We just had our big reveal with the homeowners, and they are so happy with everything, and they are so grateful for what happened today. And my team and I are so excited that we were able to do something like this. Thank you for tuning in. This was an out of this world experience for us, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram at SANAZ'S_interiors. See you next time.